Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. So select the version, then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux, then select the OS version. We can install on 24.04 or 22.04. I am on 22.04. If you want to install on 24.04, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Server 8.0.44 on 24.04. Okay, so select 22.04. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 490 megabytes. This will take time. And also see here it is star file. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will execute list of the Debian packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Okay, in the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44 tar file. First we have to enter tar-xf, then view MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter tar file name. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be executed to install MySQL Server 8.0.44. But before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt get install macap -ipadic -utf8 libavo -dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Both are already near versions. Let's now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Configure MySQL Server. Use tab and come to OK. Hit enter. Now configure default authentication plugin. See here we have two options: use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. Whatever you want, you can select and use the tab and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running, it is enabled. See the status, it is running. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. It is typo. Provide the password of root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.44. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we have installed 8.0.44. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database. Create. Show databases. See, we have created database pack. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command. Use the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, database changes. Now verify tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David-p. See here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.44. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.44 on Ubuntu 22 Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service stopped. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is running. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Ubuntu or TB. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.44. ls these files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls remove this one also. rm MySQL. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.44 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.